Alright, radio's working again. Here we go. If we go channel 1 at 26965, channel 40, 405, flick the noise limiter, you've got 10 kcs, flick it back up again, bang, full audio. If you go to channel 3, flick the noise limiter on, 26995. Flick it off, flick it on, standard 40. If we go to channel 27, turn the noise blanker on, you can see the rest and you know what happens. Alright. Hope you're happy. I consider that fixed. And it's in far better condition than when we received it. Okay, so what was it? 27. Yeah, there we go. 27275. Channel 27. 35. Yep. RX is peaked. TX is peaked. Your clarifier obviously is get you on frequency. So as you can see there. Alright, there you go. Glad to have been of assistance.